south. I mean, San Jose State Meteorology Department, Campbell and South San Jose are already in the 70s. They're going to clear first, and they'll get the temps, and boy, will you notice it, with mostly sunny skies and hot and humid. But a few showers still popping up again. Brentwood, Concord, back over to Lafayette, maybe around over to Oakland as well. Orinda, back over towards the peninsula. Not a lot, but a little bit there is falling. We've had a couple reports of sprinkles or light rain, but the clearing is already taking place from Bakersfield to Fresno, and it's not going to take long to clear here. And once it does, it will be hot. Morgan Hill, Livermore, Antioch, Concord, Fairfield.